Change the wiring harness for the front bumper. Probably I have to change and to drill holes for what's this. This Parktronic sensor holder is damaged. Wow, Sportline package. It's time to install the bumper wiring. I've noticed a few small issues that I have to figure out. This front bumper is for a car that is not having lane assistant. If the car is having a lane assistant, it is having extra parking sensors here, radars inside here. The extra connector in the center is for the parking camera. This connector on the left side is for extra parking sensor, and this connection is for lane assistant radars. I have to disassemble this front bumper, change the wiring harness for the front bumper. Probably I have to change center plastic trim. It's a bit faded actually. And to drill holes for extra parking sensors. And one more thing, the car is having active distance control and the grille has to have a hole here. Start with disassembling the front bumper. What's this? This is the right side of the front bumper. BMW 540i is having extra additional cooling radiator. I have to unplug this hole here. Parking sensors removal. Actually, this one is damaged. I have to replace it. There is an extra screw here. I have to remove this protective tape. The skin is now removed. Bumper holder removed. Left side removed. This Parktronic sensor holder is damaged. I'm going to replace it. I have to apply some heat to remove sensor holder. I have to measure the size of Parktronic sensor hole, almost 18 mils. I ordered a set of Parktronic holders. I'll install this Parktronic sensor holder here, and I'm going to use the Parktronic sensor as a guide. And install it this way. Unfortunately, I have to enlarge this hole a little bit. And I'm going to use a file. Okay, now the fitment is perfect. I have to do the same procedure with all other holes. Obviously the bumper has been repainted and the paint made this hole a bit smaller, and it's very hard to fit the Parktronic sensor. And 2 more holes to do. Let's test first. Yeah, the fitment is very tight. And the last one. The front 4 holes are done. I have to figure out how to make extra holes for additional 2 Parktronic sensors. It looks like a BMW emblem. This is the location where I should drill and enlarge this hole up to 18 mils. I'll start with smallest possible bit. Two hours later, the left hole is done. I have to clean all the dust and install the sensor holder. I previously ordered these sensors. They are the proper model, and these rubber shims. This is the holder of the sensor. It's time to install it. Okay, what we have learned. The outer sensors are different compared to the inner sensors. The bumper can be drilled. It has markings, but it's very difficult job to do. And now it's done. It's actually something that I forget to tell you. The holders are available on sale only as a set. You cannot order just one sensor holder. The front bumper is now done. It's prepared for repainting. The extra holes are made. Okay, let's remove the front bumper. I'm cutting the zip ties that we were using for temporary bumper support. I ordered a brand new center grille for the bumper. It has opening for active cruise control. I have to replace this chrome piece with Sportline gloss black. The chrome trim is now removed. Let's proceed with the left one. And the left piece is now removed. A brand new BMW original plastic trims. Wow, Sportline package. Sportline plastic to install. Okay, it's done. Let's install the wheels. Let's install the fog lights. We have to install the parking sensors. And now I'm going to install the missing lane changing radars. These two I've ordered from eBay. It's time to install the bumper wiring. First I ordered this Chinese crap. The wire scores doesn't match, and the most annoying thing about this is that the connectors are so low quality that I was not able to install them at all. So I'm going to throw this garbage. And I ordered a good used second-hand bumper wiring harness that supports all of the options that our car is having. And now the bumper is done.